Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Shailesh Sir here. Today we are going to discuss about a very important chapter from class 9. The name of the chapter is Structure of the Atom. Okay. Now, in last chapters, we have discussed about atom and atomic theory. Whose theory? Dalton's theory. According to Dalton, atom is the smallest spherical particle of the element. And it is not further divisible. But nowadays, scientists, what they have proved, atom is also further divisible. Atom is also further divisible, and it is divisible into three parts. Which three particles are obtained after division of this one atom? So there are three particles, electron, proton, and neutron. And everybody knows now electrons are negatively charged, proton are positively charged, and neutron is negatively charged. And this electron is moving in the sphere, in the orbits, what we call in the path they are moving in, which is known as orbit, while proton and neutron are lying in the center of this atom, that is known as nucleus. They are lying in the nucleus. Proton is positively charged, and electron is neutron is neutrally charged, the electron is negatively charged. Okay, that we know now. But before this discovery, modern science discovery, there were some scientists who made research about this structure of atom. So first, we have to discuss in your syllabus three scientists now in this chapter. One is J. Thomson. That is theory of J. Thomson is not a model of J. Thomson. Okay. Second, we have to discuss the theory of Rutherford. Theory means here he performed the practical here. His thought model. The model of the Rutherford. The third, the scientist name is Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr. B-O-H-R. Pronunciation is Bohr, not Bohr. Okay, we can speak Bohr also. Okay. So he also gave this explanation about the structure of atom after performing some experiment. Okay, observing and researching. Okay, all these three. Okay. Now, so first thought that model that means this their thought thinking about this structure of atomic this means structure of this atom. Okay, so this J. Thomson, he imagined that atom is just like the whole sphere of the atom is made up of positive charge. Whole sphere inside there is a total positive charge. In this positive charge, there are negatively charged electrons are embedded. Embedded means they are fixed, like this water, just like a watermelon. Whole watermelon red part is positively charged, and the seeds which are embedded, there are this so many seeds are there inside this watermelon. They are embedded, they are fixed in this red part, which are known, which is compared to the electrons. Like same way, the whole sphere is embedded, that is a positively charged sphere, and these electrons are embedded. The scattered electrons are embedded. They are fixed in this positive charge. Okay, so that is the model. That is the idea of Mr. J. Thomson. That's why his model is also known as plum pudding. Plum pudding is a sweet often eaten in the European country, in which this total plum, these raisins are embedded, edible. Both are edible. The part of the species of raisins are this embedded. Okay, that's why it was known as plum pudding model. Okay, so according to him, this positively charged this the sphere is balanced by the negatively charged of this electrons embedded. So they are practically they become neutral. Why? Because total positive charge equal to total negative charge of the electron. That's why as a final result we find the atom neutral. So it is positive, it possesses positive and this negative charge, but they are equal, so they cancel each other. Okay, so this was all about Mr. J. Thomson's model, or plum pudding model. Now, old time it was known as plum pudding model. Okay, so this was the first part. And then, for your knowledge, this electron was discovered. The existence of electron was discovered by Mr. J. Thomson. But he was not aware about these other two particles, proton and neutron. But his contribution is great because electron is very important first. Later on, these two particles were discovered after his discovery in the course of time. Okay. So, the second scientist also was very important. His contribution is also very important in the study of atomic structure. Let us see one by one.